guys, my name's Julianne, and today I'm giving an honest review of the Eureka AirSpeed vacuum cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner is very amazing, and although it's smaller, it is still so powerful. So just because it's more smaller, it is very, very powerful. So it's honestly such a space-savvy vacuum cleaner, which is why I love it so much. It doesn't take up much space at all. It glides wonderfully on all surface types, on hardwood floor, carpet, tile, all of the surfaces. It's very powerful at picking up dog hair, dirt, dust, literally everything you can imagine. So it's very, very powerful. And since it has these big wheels on the side, it glides wonderfully on all the surfaces. Super easy to use. To take the dustbin out, you literally just press this button right here and you release the dust with this button right here, and then this is where you replace the filter. So super easy to use. It also comes with a replacement filter, so let me go ahead and show you that. So this is the replacement filter for the vacuum cleaner. So that's very amazing. So it's a bagless vacuum cleaner, which is absolutely awesome. You can simply just empty this canister, and it has a very spacious dustbin, which I absolutely love. So I don't have to dump the dustbin a million times whenever I'm cleaning. It is very spacious, which is absolutely awesome. It's got a nice handle that's easy to grip and very, very easy to use. You literally just pop into place like this. You line it up right here. Boom, and that's how you pop into place, so you can easily remove it if you need to like store it or whatnot. So super easy to use, and once again got those big wheels that make it easy to move along the floor. It can be used in handheld position, so you simply just pull this out, boom, and that's where you put on the attachments. So it comes with a crevice tool and a dust brush attachment, and you simply just put them right in there. So super easy. And then whenever you're not using the attachments, it actually has places on the side that you can store them, so you simply just press them into place right there. So super easy to store them. And this tube is very flexible, so it makes cleaning handheld very easily as well. It's got a very long cord that's very durable, so absolutely amazing. It's got a 2-prong plug, so super easy to use and very versatile. And then these buttons right here is what gets it out of its upright position, and then this is what turns it on. It glides very easily and smoothly along the floor and works wonderfully in all positions. It's very versatile, space savvy, and very powerful.